racing. Green flag.
Thorne out to the early lead. The rest of the field trying to find room around this racetrack. Oh, Lenny White and the 51 of Thompson. They bang doors out of turn number 2.
Side by side in the top 5. It's Moore and Schmidt battling for the second position. Vieira and Gomes all over this battle. Both those drivers looking for redemption after their run. In fact, there's a lot of redemption in that group. Are we going to go 3 wide? Oh, there's contact down the front straightaway. Single file. Lap number 6. Thorne leads over Moore, but remember, Tommy, Cole Moore, that driver, he has been on a roll tonight. You know, racking up some victories before he got to this point.
A little bit back here, battle for third spot. Gomes with some pressure from Schmidt and Carlos Vieira, who almost won here a month ago. Almost grabbed his first series win. And he's got a fast 51 here. Lenny White in the 99, he is not going forward like I expected him to.
Is there smoke coming out of the 27 machine of Moore?
Looks like it.
Keep an eye on this, try and see if it's maybe tire, maybe him getting on the brakes, but looks like a bit of a haze. Was that a left rear rub maybe?
Looks like a left front rub, maybe the left front fender leaning on the tire. Looks like there is some damage on the left front.
It is short track racing. You're going to crinkle up a door or a fender. It's all the 24 machine of Scott Sanchez went 1 lap down. It'll be a while, about a full straightaway before Derek Thorne hits lap traffic again. You see these cars flying by on that front straightaway shot, coming at you at speed despite the small track. These cars fly around here as we watch the battles. These are all in the top 5, but that does have an issue in this race as we go back to racing. 40 laps into it.
Back to green and battle up front. You can really get to see these drivers. They are stressing, trying to get to the low side.
Oh, Dean Thompson gets the bumper out of turn number 4 from Allen. And they're going to hit some more into turn number 1.
Both drivers with not a lot of luck on their side. You better be careful.
I know. We've talked about this in qualifying. How these two drivers, they just need to have like a nice run. Dean Thompson got himself a top 5 the last time we were out here, so he's looking to double up on that. And Allen is another driver who, if it's not mechanical, it's something he's gotten caught up in 2020. So these drivers are looking to maintain momentum. Another car looks like we have one around as these two continue to hit. The Traffic Management Incorporated caution number 2 of the event. It's the 70 machine going around. Michael Height. Behind them, the 99 machine, Lenny White is climbing up the ladder.
How about that? I was giving him some shade there. Now he's showing me the sunshine.
Well, you know what they say. If you give Lenny White shade, he'll give you something else.
Carlos Vieira there in the 51. He's slipping backwards.
Oh, we have one car off the pace on the front straightaway. It caused a huge stack up, and it's Schmidt in the 05 machine.
Oh, he's overheating. You can see steam pushing out the right front.
The 51's going to restart behind the 11, so if we didn't see this, we would have gotten an idea eventually that something's up. As we go back to racing. Lap 54 restart, and look at the pressure from Gomes on that inside line. He's going to try and take advantage of this one. The most pressure Thorne's seen all race long. Gomes is still holding strong on the inside line. Will Thorne be able to take advantage with that outside line momentum? Yes.
He's got a strong, that outside seems to be working better than it did a month ago. Good racing here at All-American Speedway.
We've had a couple spins, but for the most part it's been clean. White's going to come up. I thought he was going to repaint the door of the 20 for a second.
They're about the same color cars, so.
Oh yeah, pretty close. Last time, but again, I'd like to thank everyone for tuning in. Returning from the break, 50 laps to go. The Southwest Tour cars get up to speed and throw them back into turn number 1. Now we get to see who has saved their equipment to make a run for the win.
Lenny White up to third, getting around Mawhinney in the 12 machine. 2 hard chargers through the field.
Lenny wasted no time making that move on the outside. Oh, like that.
Debris flying.
And we have a fender on the back straightaway. Pretty big.
There comes your leader.
And here comes your caution. Traffic Management Incorporated yellow. Well, we talked about it at the beginning of the show that the last time we were here, we got up to 11 cautions. And we're starting to get a couple more. 43 under a green flag run in the final 20 laps of this race. He's trying to set himself up for if the caution were to come out, he has an opportunity on the front row. He's going to take the spot from the 16 of Gomes. As the white flag is presented to Derek Thorne. Final lap for the 43 machine. He's going to do it again after doing it again and again in 2020. Your victor, Derek Thorne.
Well, he is 5 for 6 in 2020.
Terrible year.
Unbelievable.
Terrible year.
Going for his 5th championship. 2020 has been kind of odd for everybody, not so much for Derek Thorne.
Is there left to say about how strong you are here at this racetrack in Roseville, California?
Man, it just isn't the same without the fans here. Everybody back home watching, thank you for tuning in. We miss you out here. It's not the same. Hopefully we get back to normal soon.